Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to episode 4 of the series Tiger 900 Rally Pro feature list, जहाँ पे मैं ट्राई करता हूँ to describe the top features of Tiger 900 Rally Pro and उनके real world applications के बारे में. आज जिस फीचर के बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं वो है क्विक शिफ्टर. रैली प्रो ही एक ऐसा मॉडल है टाइगर 900 फैमिली का जिसमें क्विक शिफ्टर इज फिटेड एज स्टैंडर्ड. बाकी जीटी एंड रैली मॉडल में आपको ये अलग से परचेज करना पड़ेगा, which will cost you around 30 to 40k. I'm not very sure about the price. You can check it online. I tried, but क्या करें, Triumph की site was not working at all from last few days. Rally Pro comes with a bi-directional quick shifter or Triumph Quick Shift Assist as they like to call it. सिंपल भाषा में अगर बात करें तो क्विक शिफ्टर इज अ टूल विच enables you to shift gears without using clutch. This technology was majorly used in races as it eliminates the use of clutch and saves few seconds of time of racers which they waste using clutch. But अब ये technology street bikes और normal users के लिए भी available है, so that we regular people like you and me also can get the taste of racing technologies. You must have noticed these days that companies are taking their MotoGP technology and putting it in their road bikes for getting the cutting edge over their competitors. First, let's talk about the upshifts. For this, make sure that you are around 4000 rpm or above, as that is when the quick shifts are buttery smooth and the shifts are so smooth that आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि gear कब change हुआ. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि 4000 rpm के नीचे quick shifter काम नहीं करता है. It's just that it won't be that smooth and you may also feel a jerk too, as bike will try to rev match the engine speed with the respect of the gear that you want to engage into. Now let's talk about the downshifts. For downshifts, it's pretty much very simple. All you need to do is close the throttle completely and you just give the input to the gear shifter and gear shift हो जाएगा. The only catch here is कि आपको throttle close करना ही पड़ेगा. अगर throttle जरा सा भी engage रहता है तो quick shifter won't work और gear shift नहीं होगा. और अगर हो भी जाता है क्योंकि आप बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर डाल रहे हो क्विक शिफ्टर पे और या फिर गियर शिफ्टर पे, then it may lead to damage. So while using your quick shifter, just keep these small things in mind and you are good to use it. I am in love with the quick shifter. I have been using the quick shifter on my bike a lot, be it city, on highways or even off-road, and it has been a great help and it is buttery smooth. Especially in off-road sections when you are saddling on the bike and you want to upshift or downshift, you do not have to reach out to the clutch at all. The only thing that you need to do is give the input to the gear shifter and the job is done. You are in the gear that you want to be in. It is the most used thing on my Tiger. I use it very often in all terrains and I love it. For me, it also gives me the sense of racing technology and makes me happy whenever I use it. I feel like a racer. It is very useful if you know how to use it properly, or else at least you can show off within your friends that your bike have a quick shifter. So that was my take on quick shifter of Tiger 900 Rally Pro. ये मेरे views हैं. अगर आपके कुछ views हैं which you want to share, so drop a comment in the comment section below and I would be happy to learn more. आगे तो आपको पता ही है कि आपको क्या करना है. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो hit like and share with your family and friends. If you have any suggestions or inputs, feel free to drop a comment or ping me on my Instagram. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I will be back with another feature soon. Till next time, ride safe guys.